I don't know who needs to hear this today, but you need to stop pendulum swinging between I need to heal, I need to fix something, I need to heal some trauma, and I need to just be and surrender and be in flow and just exist in the human experience. If this is resonating with you, you have likely been, or in the past, been in this pendulum swing, this yo-yo between I'm healing, I'm not healing, I'm healing, I'm not healing. And this is the law of polarity, because it's not one or the other, it is both. So hear me out. So one side of this pendulum swing is a place of feeling broken, taking responsibility for everyone else's problems, everyone else's free will that's theirs to fix, feeling like everything is you, everything is a mirror, like everything is your responsibility to heal. Perhaps you even in this state feel like, oh, maybe if I heal myself enough, then my partner will heal or my family will heal. And then the other side of this pendulum, which I would call like Neo, who forgets he's in the Matrix, is where we don't do anything. And we might even call this like flow or surrender. And the key thing here to find balance is to listen to your body, understand what is your sacred yes and your sacred no. That is what is going to bring you balance, so that you're in this middle place, in this middle grounded place in the middle where you're taking responsibility for your healing. You're clear on what's yours and your free will and what's not. You've got those boundaries in place. So actually, you're simply claiming through your boundaries, through your embodiment, through your actions, what you will and won't be available for. So you're in that place of action. You're in that place of embodiment, not just doing the healing. But then you're also not so far over into that space of like, I'm completely fixed and whole. It's all done. I don't need to do anything. Because it's an ever-evolving process. But at any point in time, we can sometimes sway into one or the other, and actually it's both. And it's the healing and the embodiment and the forward action into that person that we're being that usually creates that manifestation, that quantum leap, that shift in your reality that you have been desiring. Even if that is, I want to feel like more joyful in my life. I want to have a more peaceful life, or it might be like a massive, massive quantum leap that you are calling in for you. The way to do this is by balancing these both in the middle. And if you want to go deeper on this, I've just released a new podcast episode which goes into this in depth. It is the Authentic You podcast. You can access it on Apple or on Spotify, and the link is in my bio.